So, just got the Mavic Pro propeller guards for my Mavic Pro. It came with that bundle, actually. It was with the Costco bundle. Just bought it, so this is it. Top. Here's the back. Some of the stuff was saying the website and their logo. You can see it in the camera. Okay, so let's unbox it. So inside, you're gonna get this is what you're gonna get. It's gonna be black. You're gonna get your manual. It's about 27 pages long, but you also gotta know that it's in different language too. Like see, stated right here. Next is the actual prop guard, so I'll just take one set out. Okay, so, and it comes with these tabs over here. It just opens up, like an actual Mavic. Just folds up. And then there's these tabs here. They just unclip from the bottom. Then you just pull it right off. Then these come loose. Then you just, it's not like a regular prop guard where it goes on top. It actually goes from the bottom up, then you lock it in. So the box comes with two, obviously, one for each side. It does make the Mavic Pro look actually way bigger too. That is pretty much it for the Mavic Pro propeller guard. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment on this video. Thanks, bye.